Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now it's been a while since I posted, but we've been waiting on parts, and well, I do HVAC for a living and everything started booming. Today we got some parts from LMC Truck. Let's go in front of this one. Well, we're going to replace the fog lights. And we're also going to add some extra off-road goodies. We're going to take this valence off, notch it. I'm going to put a rough country hideaway winch kit on here with a 12,000 pound Harborfreight winch. Let's get started. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is locate where the pins that hold the valence on. What you got? Oh, could have done without that. Oh. It's dry. I checked for it. I don't see any water anywhere. And it just dumps on my face. Okay. Falling my eyeballs. Yeah. Right. Had this since 2012. Never opened, never used. It's pretty big. Where in the world am I going to mount that? I'm confused right now. Does it pull 12,000 pounds or does it weigh 12,000? Huh. Yep. Bring you down here so you guys can take a gander. My bumper bolts here is not allowing me to line up with the tow hook bolt that I had to remove. Not a good thing. Gotta cut them off. That's the wrong size. Now you have to drill 4 holes, 2 on this side and 2 on the other side into the frame. So I'm going to use a pilot bit first. Don't know if I should put it in low and oil it or not. I don't know how tough this is going to be. Never really drilled my frame before. Ooh, hot shavings. Hot shavings. Let's try high. See what happens. Hotter shavings. Ooh. Okay. Okay, on to the next side. Hell yeah. Ryobi 1 plus HP. Bad MFer. Get all these shavings off. Alright, same thing as we did over there. We're going to knock out over here. Now I got to just pop in the little pins and then put my faceplate on and fish my going to use the hook that they sent from now, but that's getting changed. I ain't going to trust their hook. I might trust their cable, but I don't know if I want to trust the Harborfreight hook.